guys, I'm going to cut my hair by myself. Okay? Let's see what's gonna happen. Hi everyone. Yes, I'm going to cut my hair by myself. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I hope you can see me. Yeah, like that. We're gonna do it like this. Because it's already long and I hope that this will work. I don't want to go to the salon because I'm a little bit scared. You already know why we get so scared, so let's just gonna cut it. Right, this is what we're gonna do. I hope that everything is it's already very long. My hair is already so long. Alright, so that one might be, I think it's already okay, right? And ponytail. Okay, so it should be on the middle like that. So let's gonna cut this from here. I think it's enough. Okay. I'll go get the scissors first. Ta-da! Look! You see that? I already cut my hair by myself. I cut it by myself because I'm already sick of my hair. It's too long. And I think it's not straight. I have to make it straight though. Straight, guys. We have to make it straight. It's not straight. Okay, so guys, what do you think now? What do you think of my hair now? Okay. I don't know. Okay, so look. I think it's okay. So it's time to reveal our hair. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, it's a V shape. Guys, it's a V shape. Is it a V shape? Look! How does it look? Let me see. Oh wow! I think this is great. Oh, parang Amor Power. Kilala niyo si Amor Power? Yung buhok ni Amor Power. Dati sa Kung Mula Sa Puso Tunay ang ganyan. Amor Power look na guys. No? it's a more power look. Yan, so that's it guys, ang do it yourself. Cut your hair by myself. Cutting my hair by myself. Oh, lang galing ano. Meron talaga siyang ano. Tignan ko nga. Kailangan natin lagyan ng hati. Kung talagang hati siya. Oh, yan o. Tapos na. There you go, guys. My hair is like layered. It's layered now. See? Layer. Oh, di ba? Cutting my hair by myself. Yan. Oh, nakatipid tayo, guys. Layer siya, layer. Look at the back. Hindi lang talaga straight ang aking hair. See? It's layer. There you go. So, bye! Thank you for watching!